Alrighty, we're doing the teams for the 4-box break. It's 1:11:50 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants going 7 times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And Jules is like, I'm in spot 1. What did I win? And we do the part for the teams now. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Look at that, Jules. You got Pelicans. Random is complete, and the teams are Jules with Pelicans, James Wells, Wizards, Guy Bell, Warriors, Earl, Suns, Albie Bulls, Isaiah Walker, Greaves, Wayne, Sixers, Brendan Nuggets, Jason, Kings, Ruben, Heat, Jeff, Magic, Benji, Pacers, Scott with the Celtics, Brendan, Clippers, Aaron Price, Jazz, Marcus, Cavs, Darren Gibbs, Hornets, Corey, Hawks, Zach O'Toole, Nets, Aaron Price, Knicks, Wayne, Mavericks, Albie T-Wolves, Matt Smith, Blazers, Zach O'Toole, Rockets, Lindsay with the Spurs, Daniel Thorpe, Lakers, Dwayne with the Pistons, Aaron with the Thunder, Ruben Bucks, and Corey with the Raptors. And that is the teams. Time is 1:13:55 p.m.